Picture a loading area before the shift starts. An extension lead is damaged. A pallet is leaning. Nothing has happened yet, but the potential for harm is already there. Later, the pallet shifts while a worker walks past. What you call each part of this story matters, because hazard, incident, and near miss describe different things. A hazard is a situation or thing with the potential to harm a person. The damaged lead is a hazard. So is the unstable load. You can identify both before an event occurs. That's why hazard reporting matters early. It gives the workplace a chance to remove the problem or improve the controls before someone is exposed to the outcome. Now, the pallet shifts and a carton falls into the walkway. That unplanned occurrence is commonly recorded at work as an incident because it caused or could have caused harm. Incident is a broad operational label, and organizations may define or label it differently in their internal systems. It should not be treated as one uniform statutory definition across Australia. The worker sees the carton and steps clear. No one is hurt and nothing is damaged in this particular event. That is a near miss, an occurrence that might have led to injury, illness, danger to health, or damage, but did not produce that outcome this time. The absence of injury does not erase the warning. The event has shown that the hazard and the path to harm were real. Run the same event again, but this time, the carton strikes the worker. The hazard was still the unstable load. The incident was still the unplanned movement and falling carton. The outcome is now an injury incident, rather than a near miss. The terms describe different layers of the same story: potential, event, and outcome. Hazard and near miss reports are early warning information. They should be acted on, with controls reviewed where appropriate. In the loading area, that might mean isolating the unstable stack, changing how pallets are secured, repairing the damaged lead, checking the area, and assigning follow-up. The purpose is not simply to collect forms. It is to reduce the chance of the same pathway producing a more serious result next time. Inside the workplace, report the hazard, the event, and the outcome using the organization's process. Record what happened, make the area safe, assign actions, and check whether the controls work. A hazard report may exist before any incident. A near miss or injury report records an event that has already happened. Keeping those records connected helps the workplace see patterns and close actions. Now, separate internal reporting from the legal notification test. A notifiable incident is a specific legal category. Under Model Work Health and Safety Notification Guidance, it includes a death, a serious injury or illness, or a dangerous incident exposing someone to serious risk. A dangerous incident can be notifiable even when nobody is injured, but not every workplace incident or near miss is automatically notifiable. If an event may meet a notification threshold, promptly check the law and regulator requirements that apply where it occurred. Do not assume that no injury means no notification, and do not assume that every near miss must be notified. Safe Work Australia develops national policy and model material. It is not the enforcing regulator. Definitions, thresholds, and procedures can differ between jurisdictions, including Victoria's separate occupational health and safety framework. For a real event, check the regulator and requirements for the place where the work occurred. A generic example cannot decide the legal status of a specific event. Deal with immediate danger and urgent response first. Then keep the facts, actions, owners, and review evidence organized. BlueSafe can help connect hazard reports, incident records, follow-up actions, and the evidence that controls were reviewed. It is a record and follow-up tool. It does not replace emergency response or any notification that must be made to a regulator. Remember the sequence. A hazard is the potential for harm. An incident is the unplanned event. A near miss is an event that could have caused harm, but did not this time. Report early, act on the warning, and separately check whether the legal notifiable incident test may apply. For practical WHS records and follow-up, get started free with BlueSafe.